Hello everyone, my name is Gnanaraja. I'm a certified nutritionist, fitness consultant, and wellness coach. I'm also a 20K senior executive president team member in Herbalife Nutrition, working for last 18 years. My age is 51. With my experience, I would like to present you a wonderful video on what is your first preference in life. So, is it you want to become rich, comfort, or security? What is your first preference? This is the video, very interesting video. This will open a lot of your eyes, raise your eyebrows. And before sharing the video, I would like to introduce myself. I was a former district registrar, group 1 officer, worked in government of Andhra Pradesh for 10 years. There. Before that, I worked in LIC for 5 years. So I have 15 years of experience in government public sector after doing my PG post-graduation. And now I'm a certified nutritionist, fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, marathon runner and cyclist, CPR AID certified Zumba Strong by Zumba instructor. So before sharing the video, I would like to say that incomes will not come overnight. It's a part of the journey. All the time you have to depend on the hard work, no question about it. So watch our statement of average grass compensation, our website. So what is your first preference? So usually the God comes, appears in front of you and asks you, beta, what is your first preference? You whatever you ask in the first, that I'll give you. So there are three options given: rich, comfort, and security. What is your first preference? Think properly and let us know, right? So are you conscious of success or conscious of failure? What are your dominating thoughts? Because whatever your dominant thoughts will be, that kind of result will be, outcome will be. So if you understand here the three, are you conscious of success? Are you conscious of the failure? Which way? So accordingly you decide. So let me help you to understand each meaning of each question. So let us examine. If security is your first preference, sir, I want security, job security. I want a nice job. So job, then I should get a proper salary and all that. So now, if that is your first preference, then let us understand, analyze what it means, implications of it. Profits are better than wages because wages mean salaries. Say, give you living, while profits give you fortune. That's what Jim Rohn, my mentor, says. Meaning, salaries will not make you rich, neither live nor die. That kind of situation. No rich man depends on salaries. Mostly poor and middle class people live on the salaries, wages, but rich people always depend on the profits. Remember, so 6 out of 10 employees in India, they are stressed because of their bosses. So if salary, job security is the first preference, you will be having the side effect is stress. Bosses always will fire you, they trouble you. 1.1 crore people, 1 crore 16 lakhs people lose jobs after COVID-19 lockdown. Even if you think job is security, but still there is a chance for you to retrenchment or voluntary retirement, or they can remove you also. Engineering lecturers who work at petrol bunks because of COVID. So their engineering lecturers, they lost their jobs. Remember, private school teachers forced into menial jobs. They are, delivering gas cylinders, digging ponds. So you can understand. So school teachers, elderly people, well-educated people, 4 lakh private school teachers struggle for livelihood because schools were closed. So how much ever you consider, job is having security, but it has its own limitations. And even bouncers also, their jobs were gone. They become jobless. And lockdown hits even gyms also harder. Trainers in deep crisis. Any big crisis comes, they fire the employees. So they give some kind of excuse and they fire. So how much ever you think the job is security or security you are looking for, it still is insecurity. A salary is the drug they give you to forget your dreams. So that you don't do your work. You don't consider your dreams. You concentrate on my dreams. Meaning whoever given you the job, you have to serve them, correct or no? So in the life of in a common man's life, by the time we come to terms, understand about the entire thing after my PG and after competing for groups and civil services, by the time I settle my marriage, understanding to senses, already 30 years happened. So now I have time from 30 years to 60 years. Only 30 years is the time. Then 60 onwards, retirement, and you have to take care of your health and sugar and BP and all that. Now I am 51 years. Now you can understand how short is the life. By the time you understand about life and incomes and responsibilities and all that, so your difficult one life will not be sufficient unless you have a proper guidance and training and support. So that's the reason why in the Robert Kiyosaki in the cash flow quadrant, he made like this a chart, quadrant. He made a quadrant. He says there are only four categories of professions. One is employee, the self-employed, right side business owner and investor. So now, if you understand properly, left side, the people, most of the people are in left side. Very few people are in right side. Out of 195% of people are in left side, they only make 5% of the wealth income. Whereas right side, only 5% of the people are in these two professions, but they make 95% of the wealth, 95% of the income. That means what? Where are you supposed to be? Left side or right side? Right side. But unfortunately, many people, after their degrees and post-graduation, they go on job or engineer or doctor or advocate and all that, employee or self-employed. So now, are you looking for active income or passive income? Most of the rich people look for passive income, meaning whether you work or don't work, you'll continue to get some kind of income. But most of the people they are getting is active income, salary. Remember my story? I worked for 5 years in LIC job and 10 years in Group 1 job. What I'm getting? Salary. If I work on, I get money. Otherwise, if I stop working, I don't get my salary. So this is called active income. Now suppose you build 2 apartments and you given for rent. What you'll get? You'll get a rent. That's called passive income. At the end of the month, you look for a rent. Same way, in the business people, in the business also, business people, rich people always hire people, they do the turnover, they pay salary and they expect return. Investor also, investor, they give the money for investment, money makes more money for him. So remember, so employees have hard work, no security, they think there's security, but no security, no time. And they are schooled, they are like slave in front of the boss, right? So large debts for about self-employed, they are self-employed, they have independent freedom, but they have insufficient time, large debt, they have to work hard round the clock. So to make the ends meet, they have to work very hard. Doctors, engineers, they struggle, run to make more money. Business owners, of course, these people are little better paid off. They're little comparing with other work. Their work is little easy. Stability is there. Spare time. They have a lot of spare time. So they can able to do exercise. They can spend some time with the family. They can take care of their health. Whereas other things, very difficult to take care of. Many call center employees, I don't have time, sir, because call center now, so night shift. So they don't have time, no family time. Whereas here you find the time, to take care of your health and family, very important. So you have to take help of many people. So as a company, you can become rich, right? Not as an individual. So as investor, money works for you. So usually these people don't have any debts and they have plenty of money. So this is how you have to understand how the quadrant works. So employees, their first preference is security, and self-employed, their first preference is independence. Their first preference is not becoming rich. Security, they get security, but they don't become rich. Independence, yes, they get independent, but they don't become rich. But business owners, their first preference is wealth building. They get the wealth building. With this wealth building, they can able to get the security as well as independence. And financial freedom, whatever money they get, they invest in the financial services. Their financial freedom means return on investment will be more. So this is all you understand about the leverage. Leverage is the energy, leveraging on people's energy and time. So in one life, you cannot become rich because you only have 24 hours. Poor people and rich people, God is equally, does the justice. God does justice for everyone. Same 24 hours for the poor and the rich. But the rich people, they do something, more than the middle class and poor people. That is why they're making more money. Understand? This is called leverage. Leveraging on people's energy and time. They recruit more people. Ambani's, Birla's, Tata's, they recruit. Common people, they go into the job. Okay. Campus recruitment, or they go to become job, but these people, they recruit more intelligent people than them and they get the things done. That's how they become rich. So let us examine if it's comfort is your first preference. So we ruled out about the security. The second, let us understand comfort. Let us see comfort. So remember, success never matches with the comfort. All the success is out of your comfort zone. Remember, great things never came from comfort zones. Remember, so to become successful, you have to come out of comfort zone. That means what? Comfortable life. I want to lead a comfortable life. Comfortable life. You will not get. You can never become rich. You want to, visit different foreign countries. You may get little comfortable things, maybe one TV and sofa and all that, but you cannot have so much of money to lead a rich life, good life, quality life. So comfortable life, I don't see proper way. Some people want both the things. I want comfortable life also, but I want to become rich. It will not happen. For example, monkey story. Monkey likes, how people catch the monkeys, hunters. They keep one banana in a small, bottle, and they keep it in front of the monkeys. They silently go and hid themselves. So then the monkey comes and tries to take the banana, and the fist will form. Initially it will go, but later it becomes fist. Now it want to take the banana. It's not coming. It has two options. Either it has to remove, throw away the banana, then this hand will come. But it wants banana also, it wants hand also. So some people want to become rich also, but they want comfortable life also. It will not happen. They want to win their job also, they want to make a lot of money, rich. It will not happen. So you got to choose only one. So that's how, hunter comes and applies the chain in its neck, because the monkey has this habit, it wants both. Okay, so many people choose the same both, but it will not happen. So now let us understand. Now ruled out two options. One is security, another is comfort. Number three, rich. What if your first preference is rich, becoming rich? Yes, this is the best option. If you are rich, all three are provided. But you have to give up temporarily comforts and security for becoming rich, which will give you these two, three forever. So don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. This is what John D. Rockefeller says. And there is a book written called Good to Great, in which it says, good is the enemy of the great. Many people are good, but that is only their enemy. To become great, they would need to give up that good for the sake of great. Good is the enemy of the great. That is the way so few things become great. So learn to say no to the good so you can say yes to the best. This is what John C. Maxwell says. Very important to understand, right? My group one job, Gazette officer post in government job is a good job, but it's not a great thing, right? IAS job is a good job, but it will not give you great. Not like Tata's Birla someone's, right? So to make a lot of wealth, a lot of things, great things in the life, you got to overcome, come out of these good things. So very difficult to understand this kind of thing. So now if your option is a rich option, you will get the comfort also, you'll get security also. No need to worry about comfort and security. When money comes, comfortable life will be, security also will be there, because that money gives that kind of thing. So if your first option is rich, yes, you'll get all the three. If your first option is security, you won't get security, but you will not get comfort and rich. Your first option is comfort. Yes, you get comfort, also security, but you will not become rich. If the first option is rich, then you will get all the three. So India's wealthy got thrice as rich in 5 years, last 5 years, you can understand. Just out of 800 people, 1/3 of GDP is there. $823 billion are there among these 800 people. So you can understand, these people can do anything. They can do wonders. So, but unfortunately, our schools and colleges won't teach this, how the poor people live, how the middle class live, how the rich people live. I did my MSc, I went up to interview level. I know physics, chemistry, biology, botany, science, chemistry, so many things I know. But I don't know how to, how the rich people live, how the cycles live. I given released one more video on this. Please go watch this video on financial independence. Now, to talk about myself, in my company, there's one position called president team member. So once you come to this kind of president team member, your incomes are very high. Average incomes are 10 lakh rupees and above. I have 15 people who are in this position, who are trained by me. And in India, we have about 150 people. So average income is very good income. So I'm telling you, why don't you try for this? Like how people struggle to get into IAS, IITs and IIMs, how you work hard. Similarly, if you work hard, nothing is impossible if you work hard. Try to work hard and work for this. I'm telling you, you can also become like this, but I'm not telling you guarantee. No shortcuts, but the hard work and time and energy how to give. Let me understand explain about me as example. I was a group one officer before. I worked like crazy, and I got into group one services. I got a position called district registrar in registration stamps department, bigger post, gazette officer post, semi-judicial post, quasi-judicial. So I worked initially as assistant in IG, Inspector General of Registration Stamps. So I used to get non-judicial judicial stamp papers from Nasik to Hyderabad. So you can see the position there. I was having with tummy also 27 years. And later on, this is my office, my staff. You can see there, a big office, big post, big car, and all that. But unfortunately, what is missing is I have no family life. Morning I go, come back by night. Lot of responsibilities, and I don't give time to children. I don't give time to myself also. Wake up late and sleep late and stress all the time. Other things. Think about the government job, politics, and all that. So fortunately, because of my wife, accidentally came across this company, and my wife started using the Herbalife nutrition products. We lost amazing weight, and she given to me. I also lost weight, and then we got a lot of referrals without we realizing anything about business. Slowly our business started increasing. Then I paid attention. So then eventually I resigned my job. This is my team. 18 years down the line, you can see big team. Thousands of people are there, hundreds of people, thousands of people are there. What we teach is we don't give fish, but we teach them how to fish. This is very important. So you can, if you love the people, helping people to become successful, this is the best position. You can inspire people. You can create hope to the people who don't have a hope. And it's a very good respectable position. You can become like a health and wellness coach. We got this award called Lifetime Achievement Award of 1 billion volume points. Our income is in 7 digits, monthly income in 7 digits. Even we also get 7-digit annual bonus also, right? And we get a lot of wonderful trainings, great trainings that open our minds. And recently, Cynthia got this award called Woman for Gold in Telangana. Previously, she came from a housewife background. She came for 5,000 extra income 18 years back. Now we can see her, lot of fan following, and we get a lot of respect. A lot of people will be looking for our autographs. And this can happen to you if you believe on the success, work hard, and take patience, and like anything, dedication, determination, all are required. And now we work together as a family together most of the time, and spend quality time, and also give time to the family, children. And where else you'll get this kind of thing? Health, wealth, and happiness, everything. So these all details are given already. Okay. To reach me, these are the numbers: phone number, email, YouTube, website, Facebook, and all that. If you wanted to, if you're interested in joining us, please call us. But if you have a coach, please call him first, not me. If you don't have anyone to contact to join us, then only contact us. But I hope you enjoyed the session. Wish you all the best. God bless you. If you love this training, you love this video, please subscribe to my channel, and share this content to many people so that they also get benefited like you. And let this mind be open so that somebody can get benefited, right? So I hope you enjoyed the session. So now you tell me, what is your first preference? Becoming rich, or security, or comfortable life? Comfortable life, security, or rich? Now you decide. Thank you so much. Let us see you. Bye bye.